Closing your account with Huntington Bank can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. Here is a simple guide to help you through it. Step 1. Review your account. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the Shrug.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Cancel automatic payments. If you have any automatic payments or direct deposits linked to your account, cancel them. This will prevent any disruptions in your payments and ensure that your funds are not accidentally deposited or withdrawn after your account is closed. Step 3. Visit a local branch or call customer service. To officially close your account, you can either visit a local Huntington Bank branch or call the customer service. If visiting in person, bring a valid ID. If calling, have your account information ready for verification. Step 4. Complete the closure process. At the branch or over the phone, request to close your account. You may need to fill out a form or provide a verbal confirmation. Ensure you receive a confirmation of the account closure for your records. Step 5. Monitor your account. After closing your account, keep an eye on your previous account for a few weeks to ensure no unexpected transactions occur. This will help you confirm that the account has been successfully closed. By following these steps, you can close your Huntington Bank account smoothly. Always remember to keep records of your transactions and confirmations for future reference.